Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best ceramic hand is probably one of the most versatile and aesthetically pleasing decorative items you can add to your home or office, offering a unique blend of artistic expression and functional utility that can elevate any space it occupies, making it a standout choice for those seeking to infuse their surroundings with a touch of sophistication and personality. Number 5. Luna Bean Hand Casting Kit for Couples. Introducing the Luna Bean Hand Casting Kit, your all-in-one solution for creating a deeply meaningful keepsake. It's a fun and easy activity perfect for couples looking to make lasting memories together. This kit provides everything you need to craft a beautiful gift. Inside, you'll find molding powder, casting stone, a molding container, sandpapers, a sculpting knife, and detailing tools, all accompanied by clear instructions. Looking for a unique gift for an anniversary, wedding, or just because? This DIY hand casting kit allows you to capture the unique bond you share, creating a one-of-a-kind piece of art that speaks volumes. Our premium alginate mix is designed to capture every detail, from fingerprints to fine lines, ensuring an ultra-precise casting. With simple instructions and a video tutorial, anyone can create a professional-grade keepsake at home. Move beyond generic gifts. This kit transforms a fleeting moment into a lasting work of art, perfect for commemorating weddings, engagements, anniversaries, or any milestone worth remembering. Turn your love story into a work of art with this romantic, one-of-a-kind gift. It's a beautiful reminder of the special moment you created it together, perfect for any couple. What we like? This kit offers an all-in-one solution for creating a deeply personal keepsake. It captures every fine detail, making it perfect for couples looking to immortalize a special moment. If you are celebrating an anniversary, engagement, or just want a unique way to connect, this is the ideal choice for a lasting memory. What people say. The ceramic hand is well made and has a good weight to it, making it feel substantial and high quality. Its design is elegant and minimalist, fitting perfectly with various home decor styles. The smooth finish of the ceramic is pleasing to the touch and easy to clean. Number 4. Hand Warmer Ceramic Mug. Introducing our innovative hand warmer mug. It features a special pocket designed to capture the warmth from your beverage, keeping your hands comfortably toasty. Each mug is a unique work of art, individually hand-painted with beautiful ocean blue tones. You'll own a truly one-of-a-kind piece. This mug is ergonomically shaped for a perfect right-handed grip. It feels natural and secure in your hand, enhancing your drinking experience. Crafted from premium, heat-retaining ceramic, it's built for daily enjoyment. Plus, it's both microwave and dishwasher safe for your convenience. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This charming mug is ideal for anyone who loves coffee or tea, adding a touch of warmth and style to their favorite drinks. Make chilly mornings and cool evenings more enjoyable. It's the perfect companion for your favorite hot beverages, ensuring warmth with every sip. What we like? This mug features a unique design that keeps your hands warm using the heat from your beverage. Its beautiful hand-painted finish makes each one a unique piece. If you love cozy mornings with a warm drink and appreciate artisanal touches, this is the perfect mug for you. What people say. The ceramic hand is a beautiful and intricate piece, perfect for displaying jewelry or small trinkets. The smooth finish and realistic detailing make this ceramic hand a standout decorative item. It's surprisingly sturdy and well-balanced, holding rings and bracelets securely without tipping over. Number 3. Juvale 7-inch Wooden Hand Model. Unlock your artistic potential with this posable wooden hand. Its flexible joints and lifelike design make it the perfect model for sketching and drawing with precision. Elevate your jewelry display with this movable wooden hand. It's designed to elegantly showcase rings and bracelets, adding a touch of sophistication to your presentation. Made from high-quality hardwood, this model is built to last. The stable, anti-slip base ensures it stays perfectly positioned, even during your most detailed work. Measuring just 7 inches, it fits perfectly in any creative space. Its natural finish adds a stylish touch to your desk or shelf, making it a beautiful decor piece. This art model allows for a wide range of intricate poses. It's designed to help artists achieve realistic sketches and enhance their creative flexibility. What we like? This wooden hand model is crafted for artists and creators, offering a versatile tool for sketching and precise drawing. Its articulated joints allow for a wide range of poses, and it doubles as an elegant display for jewelry. If you are an artist needing a realistic reference or want a stylish way to showcase rings, this model is an excellent fit. What people say. The ceramic hand is well made and has a good weight to it, making it feel substantial and high quality. Its design is elegant and minimalist, fitting perfectly with various decor styles. The smooth finish of the ceramic is pleasing to the touch and easy to clean. Number 2. ALMA 12 ounces handmade ceramic coffee mug. Introducing a unique, handmade ceramic mug inspired by the beauty of nature. Each piece is crafted with care, bringing artistry to your daily routine. Drawing inspiration from the charming Polish pottery style, this mug features a design reminiscent of a Poland country garden. Butterflies and flowers dance across its surface. Enjoy convenience with this microwave and dishwasher-safe mug. It's designed for easy use and cleaning, fitting seamlessly into your busy life. With its beautiful design and thoughtful packaging, this mug makes a wonderful gift. It's ideal for birthdays, holidays, or simply as a treat for yourself. Experience the freshness of spring with its vibrant floral pattern. This design brings a touch of natural beauty and color to your morning coffee or tea. What we like. This handmade ceramic mug is inspired by traditional Polish pottery, featuring vibrant, hand-painted designs. It's durable, microwave, and dishwasher-safe, making it practical for daily use. If you appreciate unique, artistic kitchenware and are looking for a beautiful gift, this mug brings a touch of spring splendor to any home. What people say. The ceramic hand is a beautiful and intricate piece of art. It is well made and sturdy, with a smooth finish. The design is unique and eye-catching, making it a great conversation starter. Number 1. Ceramic hand vase. Introducing a unique hand-shaped vase, designed to bring elegance and sophistication to any room. It's a perfect statement piece for your home decor. This vase is more than just a decoration, it's a piece of art. Its ingenious design and hand sculpture integrate seamlessly with your interior design, beautifying your living space. Crafted from high-quality ceramic, this vase is built to last. Its durable and easy-to-maintain material makes it a practical yet stylish addition to your home or office. With a bottle height of 9.25 inches, it's the ideal size to be a centerpiece or an accent. Its dimensions are thoughtfully designed to complement your existing decor. Looking for the perfect gift? This exquisite vase is suitable for Mother's Day, weddings, birthdays, and anniversaries. It's a thoughtful present for anyone special in your life. Add a touch of modern aesthetic to your home with this beautifully crafted vase. Its timeless appeal ensures it will be a cherished part of your decor for years to come. What we like. This vase uniquely combines art and function with its human body and hand-shaped design, adding a modern aesthetic to your decor. Made from high-quality ceramic, it's durable and easy to maintain. If you're looking to enhance your interior design with a sophisticated and artistic statement piece, this vase is an ideal choice for displaying flowers or as a standalone decorative item. What people say. The ceramic hand is a beautiful and intricate piece of art. It is well made and sturdy, with a smooth finish. The design is unique and eye-catching, making it a great conversation starter. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.